Okay, so today we will be dividing a whole number by unit fraction using a area model and then a linear model. So my word problem is, how many 1/6 cup servings are in a package of gummy bears that contains 2 cups all together? So I have a whole of 2, and I'm wanting to know how many cups or parts size 1/6 I can make up my whole of 2 cups. And so I need to divide my whole of 2 cups into as many equal sized parts size 1/6 as possible. One misconception that students might have is that since we are dividing, that our numbers are going to get smaller, but our number is actually going to get larger because we're trying to find how many parts make up our whole. So we're going to go ahead and start using our area model. To represent my whole, I have 2 yellow hexagons. Each hexagon is going to represent 1 cup. So I have 2 cups all together as my whole because that's how many gummy bears we have in our package. And going ahead and looking at our unit fraction, we have 1/6. Looking at our denominator, the denominator tells us how many parts we need to portion our cup into. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a red trapezoid here, looking at our first cup. And I can see that only 2 can fit into my first cup, but I'm needing 6, so our red trapezoid isn't going to work. Oops. So let's go ahead and try these green triangles. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have 6 in my first cup, and what I do to my first cup, I need to do my second cup because my whole is 2 cups. So let's go ahead and do it to the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If I can get it on there. Alright, so let's see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 equal sized servings, 1/6 of a cup in my whole of 2 cups. So all together in my package of gummy bears of 2 cups, I know that I can have 12 servings size 1/6. And you can see that our number did get bigger and where that misconception could be. And so the answer is 12 because I wanted to know how many equal size 1/6 I could portion my whole of 2 into. Moving on to our linear model, I am going to be using a number line for our linear model. I'm going to be starting at 0 and I have a length of 2. So our first length represents our first cup, and then the other half of the length is going to represent our second cup. So I have a total length of 2, which is our whole of 2 cups. And I know that I need to portion my whole, or one of my lengths, into 6. So let's go ahead and do that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I do to one length or 1 cup, I need to do to the other length or my other cup because my whole is 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see what we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I have my whole portioned, and I can see now that I have 12 equal sized servings, size 1/6 of a cup in my package of 2 gummy bears all together.